everyone, it's Finovation. Where I live, it's been really snowy lately, and I'd love for that snow to stay forever. However, that can't happen. So the obvious question is...
what are you going to do about it?
Well, I'm going to build a little snow globe, so I can have just a little bit of snow wherever I go. Let's get into it. Alright, so these are the materials that you're going to need. You're going to need some water. I'm going to be using some distilled water. I'm not really sure that it matters though. You're going to need some clear glue. I'm using this. You probably don't need this much. Then you're going to need a jar or something that you want to be your snow globe. Then you're going to need some glitter or some fake snow. And lastly, something to put inside the snow globe. Let's get into it. Alright, so what I'm going to be putting inside the actual snow globe, I'm going to be putting some of these fake trees that I got at the dollar store. And I'm going to be using a keyboard that I take apart and take the keycaps off to spell snow. I think it's going to be pretty cute. So all I'm really doing is using just a little tool I made to just kind of pry off the keys. And then I'm going to hot glue them in there. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these little small trees and I'm going to glue the little keycaps on the top of the trees, and then I'm going to put them in using some pliers. So I'm going to use some hot glue to do that. Alright, so as you guys can see, I've got all these glued on and it says snow. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on the actual jar lid, because if I put it on the bottom of here, it's just going to kind of look like a jar when it's closed. But if I flip it upside down, it looks a little bit more like a snow globe. So I'm just going to glue them onto the bottom of here, so I won't even need pliers. Alright, that looks pretty nice, I think. Now all we have to do is put the jar on and see if it screws up. Alright, looks kind of cute. Now we've got to make the actual mixture. Let's get into it. Alright, so the actual mixture is going to be 2 tablespoons glue to 1 cup water. So I've already added 1 tablespoon glue. So what I'm going to do is add the second one. Alright. There we go. And now I'm going to add 1 cup of water. Alright, so I've got 1 cup of water here. And it is warm water. That's kind of important. So definitely use warm water. Alright, there we go. And now I'm just going to mix it up with a popsicle stick. Alright, now I just have to pour it in and add the glitter. So, let's see here. Also, it is important to use hot water because it dissolves the glue. So I think that is kind of important to mention. So I might need just a little bit more here. So I'm just going to add maybe just a bit more. Now for the fun part, adding the glitter. So you can really just kind of add however much you want. I'm going to try this first, and I'm going to add a little bit of bigger glitter as well. This is like some blue glitter. But, you know, you can add however much you need. Alright, let's try that. And just see how it goes. So I'm going to put this on. And hopefully it's watertight. So I'm going to try this. Okay. Oh, that's so cute. Alright, can I shake it, I guess, a little? Yeah, look at that. We got a little snow globe. Alright, so it turned out really nice. Here's a picture on screen once the snow settles. But I really like it, and it looks great with the snow.
Snowfin, that reminds me of a joke.
Oh boy.
What do snowmen call their offspring?
I don't know, what?
Children.
Oh, that was horrible. Whatever, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!